La Konrad ke Sangma ula pentim bagi bu thong ban Sdang no ya Science and Commerce College Mawphlang bat kumju ya Science and Commerce College ba Sapara Mahendraganj nadu kene ka samoy na kabenta kajing mentoy jengki Samla puli haba juba balor kene kajing kli bawanra adu nong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma na kaliang menteri rangba ula pentip ru ba watla kajing tre yaki wei ki benta kadang yat hendrai ki kwa baka kelas kan ya no namar lada ap hadu usnam banwan kajing du kandai yaki Samla puli Hashwa jongkane menteri ketenat puli puthi rakam isangma ula pentip baka jing pentre yakini ki jaka puli kila yat stat bha bat kim slam show pan pendam.
Now we move on to next question number 77 brought by the leader of opposition Dr. Mukul M Sangma. Sri Rakam Sangma, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Speaker, sir, the question was small, but we are giving a quite long and detailed reply, sir. Sir, the status of Science and Commerce College Mawphlang is as per below, sir. So, number one, the project is being implemented by PWD building. So, number two, the overall physical progress of civil construction work is 86%. So, number three, the rescheduled date for completion of the project is March 2025. So, number four, the government has conveyed approval for creation of 46 force. So, number five, the preparation of plan estimate for the external electricity power supply, external power supply connection, and blacktopping and approach road are under process. So, number two, so the status of Science and Commerce College Sapara Mahendraganj is as per below, sir. So the project is being implemented by PWD building. So the overall progress is 66%. So the rescheduled date for completion of the project is March 2026, sir. Number four, the government has conveyed approval of 46 posts, sir. So number five, the plan and estimate for external power supply and external water supply connection and approach road are under process. Sir, number B. So the total amount of money sanctioned by the Government of India for the project Science and Commerce College Mawphlang is 36.55 crore, which was released on 30/6/2017 with a funding pattern 90:10. Sir. So the total amount released by the Government of India for the project is 31.1685 crore. So the token money amounting to rupees 10 lakhs was released on 30/6/2017. So first installment amounting to 11 crore 06 crore was released on 1/11/18. So second installment amounting to 11.501 crore was released on 27/1/2024. So third installment amounting to 8.5075 crore was released on 8/10/2024. So B, the total amount of sanction where the Government of India for the project Science and Commerce College Sapara Mahendraganj is 36.31 crore which was released on 30/6/2017 with a funding pattern of 90:10 ratio. So the total amount released by the Government of India for the project is 23.5274 crore. So number one, the token money amounting to 10 lakhs was released on 30/6/17. First installment amounting to 12.1 crore was released on 28/9/17. So second installment amounting to 18.027 crore was released on 25/4/23. However, during the financial year 23 and 24, the implementing agency utilized only 1.66 crore and the partial UC was admitted on 26/4/2024. The unutilized amount 16.36 crore was left due to the slow progress of works. So the third installment amounting 9.66 crore was released on 28/10/2024, sir.
Dr. Mukul Sangma, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the very outset, let me bring it to the notice of this August House that this particular reply for A is incomplete. So may I request the Minister in the first instance to complete this reply, because A1 and A2, the question is pertaining to the status of both the colleges. Here, one is missing, the financial progress. We've given the physical progress, but the financial progress is missing.
May I get a question again, sir?
The question is incomplete because my question is very clear. The status of both the projects. Status, the Honorable Minister has indicated in his reply about the physical progress, overall physical progress. But what is the progress in, as far as the financial progress is concerned for both the projects?
So I have already said this, sir. The overall progress, physical progress is 86%, sir. And sir, the question was only for the physical progress, sir.
No, Mr. Speaker, sir, the reply is not complete. Physical progress and financial progress. This is how we usually refer to status of any project which is taken up, which is in the process of implementation.
Speaker, sir. So with respect to physical progress, sir, we have mentioned that the Mawphlang College is 86% and the Mahendraganj College is 66%, sir. So, however, the financial progress for the Mawphlang College is 94%, sir.
What about the other one?
Speaker, sir. Sir, and the financial progress for the Mahendraganj College is 70%, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the financial progress must commensurate to the physical progress vis-a-vis the bill of quantity. You know? So, may I know from the Honorable Minister in respect of his reply to B, the last one in respect of the Science and Commerce College L, it is Baksapara, not Pasapara, may be corrected, Baksapara, Mahendraganj. Now, in regard to this, as far as Government of India is concerned, the token money is released in 10 lakhs of token money was released in 2017 in the month of June. And then the second installment of 12.1040 was released on the 28th of September 2017. Now may I know, therefore, from the Minister in charge, what is the total amount of money that has been paid to the contractor in both the cases?
Speaker, sir, that exact figure is not with me right now. So, sorry, I record notice, sir.